Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in Miamisburg today, close to the Germantown area, at this ranch. As you can see here, the guys took out an aluminum window, and it had grids as well, and it was actually like a split. The sash started right here, and the customer wanted to go to a 50-50 split on the typical double hung, and it's in the brick opening, but they have the shutters all around it, so it's not really a brick opening that the guys had to cap. And then they did have grids on it as well, and they decided to go ahead and remove the grids from the windows so they could see out of them a little bit better. So if you want to go ahead and follow me inside, we'll show you what the inside looks like. All right. So on the inside, this is the baby's room, playroom. The guys did what we typically always do with a drywall opening, is they put the window in and they put the flat vinyl up against the wall, so it's a nice tight caulk line. On this one here, let me go ahead and mention, since the windows are less than 18 inches off the floor, the customer had to get tempered glass. And you can always tell tempered glass because in one of the corners there'll be some etching. That way it identifies it as being a tempered product. But building code here in Dayton, Ohio area, you have to, any window that's less than 18 inches off the floor has to have tempered glass. So if we want to go back out here into the dining room, we took a twin double hung out and put in a 2-light slider. So this actually used to be 2 double hung windows or single hung, and the customer went over into a 2-light slider. A couple different reasons. One, they eliminate that meeting rail going all the way across this opening, so they have a better view to look outside. Second, cost. Whenever you take out 2 double hungs and put in a 2-light slider when it's feasible, you're going to reduce the cost of getting this opening redone, because now instead of buying 2 windows, you're just buying one that's a little bit bigger. So that's a lot of ways we try to help customers fit the projects into their budgets. And then at the sink, just another double hung, just to show everybody. I don't think I've showed them yet, but these are called dual purpose locks. Not only do they lock the window, you use them to tilt them in. So if you see the aperture over here, when I hit this, it unlocks the tilt in. And then these are double hung, so both do tilt in, but we're gonna leave it like that. So thanks for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House out here in Miamisburg, Ohio. Peace out, everybody.